In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language on the Walmart website. Whether you're more comfortable browsing online in a language other than English or simply want to see how the site operates in another language, changing the language on Walmart's website is straightforward. Let me guide you through this process step by step, ensuring that you won't miss a beat, and soon you'll be navigating the site in your preferred language. Let's begin by opening your web browser and heading to www.walmart.com. Once the Walmart homepage loads, it's time to locate the language settings. You won't see these settings at the top of the page, where most of the featured products and categories are on display. Instead, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the homepage. This is where you'll find a wealth of additional options nestled at the bottom footer of the website. Now, as you traverse to the bottom, keep an eye out for a section marked Language, or in some instances, you might also see a globe icon indicating the same feature. This is the pivotal point where you can change the website language. Now that we've found the language option, let's move on to selecting your preferred language. You'll see a drop-down menu under this language section. Click on it to view the available options. Walmart offers various language options, with English and Espanol being among the most featured. Use this drop-down menu to select the language in which you're most comfortable. Simply click on your choice, and that's it for this step. Finally, after you have chosen your desired language, the next phase involves saving these changes. Typically, the website should automatically refresh and transition into the selected language. However, technology isn't always as accommodating as we'd like, and sometimes the page doesn't refresh immediately. But don't worry, you can manually refresh the page in such cases. Simply click the refresh icon on your browser or use the shortcut keys, like F5 on most keyboards, to refresh the page. And there you have it. The Walmart website now displays everything in your chosen language preference. This feature is especially useful for multilingual households or those individuals learning a new language, offering a more personalized and accessible shopping experience. I hope you found this guide helpful and feel more confident navigating the Walmart website in your preferred language now. Thank you for joining me today, and happy shopping in the language that best suits you.